So my name is Kevin Hanson. I work with the Iowa Department of Natural Resources. We did a research project on mud puppies. They're a threatened species in Iowa that we got some mitigation money to study, and we're also very interested in the relationship to the salamander mussel, which is a candidate for federal listing.
A salamander mussel is a little bitty bivalve, really simple little critter that lives under large rocks in the river. Native mussels are pretty much the liver of our rivers. The larger the population, the more of the water that they can filter, and they're eating the things that can make us sick, like E. coli, or removing contaminants and repackaging it, or making food for the fish that we enjoy getting out and trying to fish for. And so mussels play a really big role in the success of our life on the river, but also the success of the ecosystem of the river. And so that's actually what we're going to do today. We're going to go out and put a few of the remaining remaining mussels that are restoring the native mussel population at this site. They're washboard. Wow. So they'll end up being the largest mussel you'll find in the Mississippi River.
As big as your head.
Yeah. Really?
Yeah. I mean, some of them are just the size of your head.
What we do for our research is we've done a lot of trapping of individuals, and it's an animal that's active in wintertime. So we're going out in October through December setting nets, and then when we capture animals, we weigh them, measure them, and we implant them with a pit tag which identifies each individual. And then we look for recaptures and try and learn what we can from the population that way. A lot of people, if they catch them, they think they're a dangerous animal, and they're far from that. And they look poisonous or something like that, but they're really a pretty harmless animal and a really important part of the ecosystem.